This is XLM on popular request. Now I get it, everyone's super duper excited. XLM currently looking to break out of this massive monthly bull flag. But here's the thing, while everyone is looking for a breakout, we can't ignore the elephant in the room, which is the macro resistance currently coming in right here at around 54 cents. Resistances are meant to be broken out of, but you always got to be a bit prudent when trying to forecast price action. When can we really expect that breakout? So today I'll be giving you guys that price level. I'll be looking for XLM to clear out. They'll tell me that, hey, XLM is likely moving to the upside, officially breaking out of that massive ascending triangle formation. The measured move to which takes XLM all the way up to $25. It's not me, it's the pattern. You guys speak to the pattern. Now there are the three P's: what's possible, everything is possible, what's plausible, and what's probable. We want to figure out how probable the $25 target is. I'll be exploring that in the next XLM video, so if you guys want to keep up with that, make sure you're hitting the sub and the bell icon. Now in the previous video, I told you guys that, hey, 54 cents was going to be that zone of resistance, and we were just a couple of days away from the monthly open of December. Now it turns out, guys, if we just zoom into that picture right there, prices actually closed underneath that 54 cent region on the monthly time frame. So no, we did not get a close over 54 cents. Now I get it. For those of you in position, you guys are excited. For those of you not in position, you guys, there's FOMO. However, this right here is not the juncture of the market where I am going to be FOMOing into position. So for those of you looking for bids on XLM, you might actually catch a better bid. Now mind you, when trends move, guys, trends move like this. Nothing ever moves up in one straight line. Now if we just focus on the 2018 bull run, you can see that this markup phase here from the bottom all the way to the first local high, that was a good 3,800% to the upside. However, prices did pull back. It retraced a good 88% of its first bullish move. However, that was a buy the dip opportunity because prices then went on to rally to put in all-time highs. And that rally, guys, was a good 11,000%. But consider the person who actually let FOMO guide his trade execution, and he got it on the top right here, only to sit through this pullback, 80% on the pullback, guys. I mean, anyone can get spooked out of that kind of pullback, only to then see prices rally in his face. So yes, you can get into trades where your long-term trade thesis is correct. However, if you don't get the right bids, these kind of moves can totally spook you out of position. You're too worried about your losses, so you end up exiting the position only for prices to fly in your face. So always try and capture the good bids because those bids are going to be super duper easy to manage. So let's go ahead and talk about bids. A pullback on the chart in the middle of a bull market is an opportunity to make money. Okay, that's how you look at pullback opportunities. While I am looking for pullbacks, not just on XLM, but on multiple other coins, I am still very much bullish on the macro trend itself. Now, personally, for me, I would not be buying in right here, right at resistance. I would honestly be looking for a pullback opportunity. Question is, can we actually expect a pullback right here? Well, for that, let's get into the Mango dashboard. Now, you guys can find this on app.mangoresearch.co. Also, the Black Friday sale ends today. At the end of the day, the coupon code is Black Mango. It is applicable on all courses and indicators. Additionally, if you get any of these three, the seed program, the dynamic indicator, or the Mango Lifeline indicator, you get the dashboard with it as well. This might actually be the best offer we've run so far, so definitely take advantage of it. I'll be linking the coupon code in the description below, and you have until the end of today. So now we have longs across the board, and I think we can all agree that XLM's trend is actually still pretty strong. Considering that the daily is putting in a series of higher lows on the chart, you can see that if you caught your trades on any of the higher time frames, you're up a minimum of 170% on the weekly trend, which flipped 2 weeks ago. However, volatility right now is expanded to these high red numbers from the 12-hour time frame to the 2-day time frame. Now, when I see volatility expand to these high red numbers, I usually look for signs of exhaustion from the trend right now. The trend, it's an uptrend, so an exhausted trend. When you spot an exhausted trend, that can signal a pullback opportunity on the chart. But it's not just the volatility profile. Check out the potential bearish divergence too. We got potential bearish divergence on the 12-hour time frame and on the daily time frame. But in addition to that, guys, the 4-hour trend flipped long 9 hours ago. Now, 9 hours is a lot of time in a bull market for the bulls to show their hand. I want to see some upticks on there. So we got potential bearish divergence, we got high volatility profile, and we have the bears winning the fight on the 4-hour time frame. In addition to that, we got price up against macro resistance at 54 cents. We got the perfect pullback recipe. Now, question is, where is it going to pull back to? Well, I honestly will be defaulting onto the 12-hour mango dynamic indicator. You can see that ever since the trend began right here, guys, Okay, all the way from the bottom at around 9 cents, we have been trending on the 12-hour dynamic. Not a single loss of the 12-hour dynamic support. We have trended almost the entire move of XLM on the 12-hour dynamic support. So I'll be looking at this entire zone right here as the bid opportunity. For those of you who won the numbers on the dynamic region, go ahead and take note of them. It comes in from around 48 cents going all the way down to 45 cents. Catching a bid on there would be super duper easy to manage, because if prices break the 12-hour dynamic support, you know you're wrong on the trade very, very fast, and then you can reposition lower. Okay, but trade management on a critical region of support that's been guiding this entire trend is going to be super easy. So I honestly would be looking for something like this, and this would be ideal case scenario, right? But why is that? Because this would be a bull flag in the making, right? This would be the flag, an ascending triangle, and this right here would be the pole, the move to which would be freaking explosive. Now, just a quick reminder, if you're looking to trade this range, don't forget about the BitUnix campaign where they're giving you $150 for free for a $200 deposit. You can use it to beef up your existing positions, get into new positions, or practice your leverage trading with it. I believe you only have one more day left on the campaign. I'll be linking it in the description below. Now, in the beginning of the video, I did promise you the breakout level, right? At what point can we actually truly get excited on XLM's chart, wherein we're going to be looking for that trigger of that massive ascending triangle-like formation? Well, that breakout level, guys, is going to come to you on the weekly time frame. Get into the weekly time frame, and this is going to be the level that I look towards. 68 cents on the breakout. If I start seeing weekly candle closes, it has to be weekly closes, over 68 cents, I'll be looking at that as an official breakout on XLM's chart. At which point, I believe that this massive ascending triangle formation that has a target of $25 officially gets activated. 68 cents right here on my chart is the breakout level that you ought to be looking for. Until then, I say stay your hand, do not FOMO, look for the pullback opportunities, look for the good bid opportunities on the chart, because that's the only way you get to ride the trend stress-free. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the likes. If you're jumping into any of the courses or the indicators, don't forget to apply the coupon code BLACKMANGO. I will now see you in the Discord chat. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.